Pakistan Day, 23rd March speech in English. The Pakistan Resolution Day. Honorable Headmaster, Headmistress, respectable teachers, and dear all fellows. Assalamu alaikum. Today, my speech topic is 23rd March, Pakistan Day. Dear fellows, 23rd March is very important day in the history of Pakistan. This is the day on which Pakistan resolution was passed by the Muslim of subcontinent. Today is the day when Muslim demanded a separate country from British. Today is the day when Muslim demanded a separate country from British. It was a dark time for Muslims if they left their demand for a separate homeland. They would have disappeared from the subcontinent. Hindus were in a large number and Muslims were facing Hindu prejudice for a long time. They were different from Hindus. Both could not eat together, pray together, and their whole lifestyle was different from Hindus. At this hard moment, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah stood up for the Muslims and demanded that Muslims should have their own country. A country where they can worship according to Islam. Today, we are here to remember that great day, which made Pakistan a possibility and then a reality. Dear all friends or fellows, let's pray together that we make this country a proud country with our efforts. Happy Pakistan Day to all friends. Friends, अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और इस वीडियो को लाइक और दोस्तों में शेयर ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो अगेन. अगर आप इसी तरह का कंटेंट फिर से चाहते हैं तो नोटिफिकेशन बेल को भी आपने प्रेस कर देना है ताकि फिर जब भी मैं वीडियो अपलोड करूं तो उसकी नोटिफिकेशन आपके पास आ जाए तो आप उस वीडियो को भी अच्छे तरीके से वॉच कर लें और अपनी नॉलेज में इजाफा कर पाएँ. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो अगेन. अल्लाह हाफिज़.